This is the 5th day of the Nagaland-Thailand trip, and Thant and Divis have left for Thailand. I've extended my stay at Nagaland, because why not? Located in the northeast part of India, Nagaland is the smallest state here. Though the cultural, natural and environmental resources here are super rich. Nagaland consists of 16 administrative districts, inhabited by 17 major tribes, along with other sub-tribes. Each tribe is distinct in character from the other, in terms of customs, language and outfit. It is a land of folklore passed down the generations through word of mouth. The earliest recorded history of the Nagas of the present-day Nagaland date back to the 13th century. Nagaland आएको बेला ठ्याक्कै हर्नबिलमै आउँछु भनेर सोचेको थिए, तर त्यो भन्दा नि अझ लकीली यहाँको Angami tribes, one of the 17 tribes, have a very special ceremony happening on this very day.
Alright, so म एक्लै भइसकेँ यहाँ नागाल्यान्डमा and I got some help. दिविजले मलाई राम्रो कनेक्सन्सहरु बनाएर दियो. हाम्रो जुन जिम छ त्यो अति टाढै छ के, सो त्यहाँबाट बाइक हायर गर्न आथे म. अनि I got this really nice bullet, Royal Enfield को bullet 2 दिनको लागि मैले रेन्ट गरेको छु. I'm going up to Kohima where there is like the main festival happening. त्यहाँ चाहिँ छु. र मलाई हेल्प गर्ने मान्छे चाहिँ अलिअलि मलाई देखाइदिनु मन छ. Could you please say hello to my camera, please? Could you introduce yourself, please?
I am Victor. I'm the manager here at TCA, the Combat Academy Nagaland. I'm so glad to have you here.
Thank you, bro. We had such a lovely talk, man. And a small short story that Victor here was training with Rahul Mokhtan from Gymkhana.
My first trainer, you.
And they trained Muay Thai together. I don't know, I instantly made a bonding with him, which is all very brotherly like, eh? And thank you so much.
Forever.
Thank you so much, brother, for dropping me in the tiny scooter. Ati ramro, genuine guys, Nagama. I don't know, man. Thank you, TCA, Combat Academy, for having so much love and care for Rabindra again, like always. Naga open Rabindra Optima, so hard work there. They're really impressed. Naga is like our team now, so it's really good. So I think they'll probably reach Guwahati. And they'll fly to Kolkata. They'll again fly to Thailand. So more Thailand to Jansu Porcetira books. Let's ride this beast.
Yeah! Give it was there. Plus.
Thank you, brother.
Welcome.
Thank you. Wow.
खाना त 2-2:30 तिर हुन्छ
हजुर
त्यो अहिले
ए ओके ओके त्यो भए त खानु पर्यो
गरिहालौँ
तर बिहान खाँदैन हिजो म कहाँनिर थिएँ र आज कहाँनिर यसो घरमै रोटी हान्दैछु सो मलाई इन्स्टाग्राममा एउटा मेसेज आएको थियो निरुपमा बहिनीको हु काइन्ड अफ गाइडेड मी थ्रु वाट टु डु अनि म उसको घरमा छु ऊ चाहिँ चेन्नईमा छ सो सी इज बिन फलोइङ आवर भ्लग्स एन्ड एभ्रिथिङ एउटा यस्तो राम्रो कोइन्सिडेन्स रहेछ कि यहाँ नागाल्यान्डमा देयर इज अ बिग नेपाली स्पिकिङ community here, a Gorkha community here, which I'll talk about later. मसँग अहिले यहाँ अंकल हुनुहुन्छ सन्तु अंकल who has prepared breakfast for us. He is looking एकदमै handsome देखिरहनु भएको छ हाम्रो कपडामा अहिले अहिले म खाने बेला उहाँलाई डिस्टर्ब गर्दै हामी खाइसकेपछि म जस्ट आई वान्टेड टु सो कि यहाँ यस्तो भिआइपी हस्पिटालिटी पाइरहेको छु मैले आइम भेरी 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 ह्याप्पी हिजो राम्रो आई स्लेप्ट भेरी वेल इट्स अ भेरी ग्लुमी डे आउटसाइड आई हेभ ब्रेकफास्ट एन्ड देन आई स्टार्ट अलिक इन्ट्रेस्टिङ हुन्छ जस्तो लागिरहेछ आजको दिन मलाई के हो सबैजना तलतिर हो वाउ बहिनी त खतरा देखेछ त
लु बहिनीको चाहिँ राम्रो ल बहिनीको फोटो चाहिँ युट्युबमा पठाइदिनु है
हवस् हवस् आउट अफ अल द थिङ्स आई डिडन्ट एक्सपेक्ट यस्तो खालके अलि भाषा चेन्ज गर्छु ल म यस्तो खालके हाम्रो ट्रेडिसन चाहिँ मैले नागामा एक्सपेक्ट गरेको थिएन ह्युज पपुलेसन छ नेपाली स्पिकिङ अब हर्नबिल त आफ्नो ठाउँमा छ त मैले अलिअलि खिचेँ ओरेर तर यो ट्रेडिसन चाहिँ नमस्ते हर्नबिल त आफ्नो ठाउँमा छ हर्नबिल त एउटा इभेन्ट भयो होइन जुन चाहिँ मान्छेले क्रिएट गरेको 1980s 90s कहिले क्रिएट गरे हो सानो प्लेग्राउन्डदेखि सुरु हुँदा हुँदै ठुलो भयो नेपालमा नि कसरी गर्नु मिल्छ सोचिरहेको थिएँ मैले त होइन तर त्यो बाहेक अहिले आज हुन लागेको चाहिँ एउटा अङ्गामी भन्ने ट्राइबको त्यो गेट पुलिङ काठको गेट पुल गर्छ हामीले रथ ताने जस्तो उनीहरूले काठको सरी पुल होइन काठको गेट होइन काठको गेट चाहिँ बोकेर एउटा ठाउँ अर्को लाने हो यो चाहिँ जात्रा हो क्या अनि यो जात्रा चाहिँ ठ्याक्कै आज कसरी पर्यो किनकि अरू बेला हर्नबिलमा हुँदैन रहेछ यस्तो ठ्याक्कै पर्यो किन पर्यो भन्दाखेरि हाम्रो लागि खिच्नुको लागि पर्यो हो कि मेरो भाइ कपिल होइन कपिल भाइको कपाल चाहिँ हेरौँ न कति वर्ष भयो तिमी 80
होइन
20-21
14 this year 14
दिस इयर 14 20-21 भन्छ
होइन
दिस इयर 14मा यस्तो भइसक्यो तिमी धेरै बुद्धि भएको मान्छे जस्तो चाहिँ दिमाग भएको मान्छेको यस्तो हुन्छ नि इट्स रेनिङ सिमसिमे पानी पर्दैछ सबजना के हो चाटुटुक भएर निस्किँदो रहेछ त तिम्रो ढाका टोपी खाइ त लगाउनु पर्यो नि किन अनि मन पर्दैन ए नेपालको टोपी नलाइकन नमस्ते नमस्ते दाइ आबुई खुकुरी पनि यसो देखियोस् त सही छ ल देखाउनु पर्यो दाइ यहाँ त टन्नै रहेछ त नेपाली हाम्रो दाजुभाइ त है कतिजना छ मान्छे बेसी छ
नि कति पुरुष नि हो
हजारौँ जना छ
अझै हेर्नु न ठ्याक्क देखिन्छ
कताबाट आउनुभयो
कताबाट होला यसो हेर्दाखेरि
यसो हेर्दाखेरि तपाईँ नेपालदेखि हो कि जस्तो लाग्दैछ
ओ नेपाल पनि कता भन्नु न
अब नेपाल त हामी यति साह्रो जान्दैनौँ न हो धरान अब कता
होइन
त्यतैतिर होला
होइन सेन्टरमै हो काठमाडौँ
ल
हजुर चाहिँ यतैतिर हो
यतै हो हामी त है
जन्मेको हुर्केको सबै
जन्मेको हुर्केको चाहिँ हामी आसाम हो तर बिहा भएर चाहिँ यता आइयो
ए ओके पनि रहेछ चहल पहल मेरो भाइ कहाँ गयो लो आई जस्ट ल्यान्ड अप यस्तो ठाउँमा आयो न हाउ नमस्ते फेरि सबैजनालाई नमस्ते हजुर काठमाडौँबाट आएको आउनुभएको उहाँ युट्युबर हुनुहुन्छ कति मिलियन छ उहाँको फलोवर्सहरू अनि हाम्रो घरमै बस्नुभएको छ सिसन हो हजुर सिसन बानिया हो छेत्री हजुर हजुर
बुढो चाहिँ मगर फेरि आफू चाहिँ छेत्री पर्यो
ठिक छ मलाई पनि त्यस्तै हुनु मन छ
यतैबाट लिएर जानु नि मगनी खोजिदिनु पर्यो
त्यो त राम्रो हो दुनियाँभरि खोजा सबैजना भेट्टा छैन यो चाहिँ के ड्रेस हो हाम्रो गुनियो चोलो चौबन्दी चोलो तपाईँको चाहिँ के ड्रेस हो हजुर बोक्खु हजुरको
मेखला चादर
हाम्रो अलिकति हिस्ट्रीको बारेमा आज हजुरले लाउनु भएको लुगा पनि अलिकति बेग्लै छ कसरी चाहिँ हाम्रो गोर्खालीहरू यतातिर आइपुग्यो के छ यसको बारेमा अलिकति छोटकरीमा भनिदिनुहोस् न कसरी चाहिँ के भयो
सबै दर्शकबिनलाई नमस्ते म सन्तु थापा गोर्खा पब्लिक पञ्चायत कोहिमा नागाल्यान्ड भारतको अध्यक्ष अहिले अहिले म उभिरहेको छु हाम्रो गोर्खा पब्लिक पञ्चायत भवनमा र हाम्रो यहाँ इतिहास धेरै पुरानो छ हाम्रो गोर्खाली नेपालीको र हाम्रो पुर्खोहरू 1833मा हाम्रो ब्रिटिससित आएको भनिन्छ र त्यसरी नै आएर यहाँ नागाल्यान्डको विभिन्न ठाउँमा बसोबास गरेर यहाँ हाम्रो नागा जाति यहाँको भूमिपुत्रहरू यहाँहरूले हामीलाई माया गरेर आफ्नो छोराछोरी जस्तो गरेर राखेको छ
नेपालीलाई चाहिँ आफ्नो छोराछोरी मान्नुभयो
जस्तै मानेर त्यसरी राखेको छ हामीलाई र आज त्यसरी नै यहाँ हाम्रो नागाल्यान्डमा 16वटा जिल्ला छ यहाँ विभिन्न जातिहरू छ उहाँहरू सबै आफ्नो वेशभूषा अलग अलग लाउँछ त्यसरी नै आज एउटा यो एसियाको सबभन्दा ठुलो गाउँ कोहिमा भिलेजको एउटा खेल टी खेल भनेर मानिन्छ उहाँ जसले चाहिँ हामीलाई नानी केटाकेटी भनेर मान्छ र उहाँहरूले आज उहाँहरूको यो ट्रेडिसनल गेट पुलिङ गेट तान्ने कार्यक्रम छ र त्यसमा आज हामीलाई पनि निम्ताएको भएको हुनाले हामी सबैजना हामी पनि हाम्रो नेपाली वेशभूषा लगाएर हामी पनि जाँदैछौँ यो एउटा ऐतिहासिक दिन भनेर हामी मान्दछौँ
गेट पुलिङमा के चाहिँ हुन्छ
गाउँमा पस्ने जो द्वार हुन्छ त्यहाँ ठुलो रुखको एउटा सिङ्गल रुखलाई काटेर उहाँले त्यो गेट बनाएको हुन्छ र त्यसलाई आज उद्घाटनका लागि त्यसलाई एउटा सेरिमोनियल रूप दिन्छ र उहाँले त्यसलाई माटोमा राखेर त्यसलाई वेशभूषा लगाएर तानेर लिएर जान्छ लगेर गाउँको द्वारमा लगेर त्यसलाई चाहिँ राख्छ
यो अङ्गामी ट्राइब हो
अङ्गामी ट्राइबको
कस्तो हो अङ्गामी ट्राइब
अङ्गामी भने चाहिँ नागाहरूको एउटा ट्राइब हो अङ्गामी ट्राइब र यहाँहरू धेरै सोझो राम्रो हस्पिटेबल जाति हो
हुन त नागामा सबैजना एकदम हस्पिटेबल नै लाग्यो मलाई अलिक बाटो सोधे पनि सबैले हेल्प गर्ने यताउति आएर आफै बोल्ने यसो कन्फ्युज भएको जस्तो देख्यो भने अनि कस्तो छ रिलेसन नागा पिपल र यहाँको गोर्खाली मान्छेहरूको
एकदमै राम्रो हामीले पनि उहाँहरूलाई एकदमै हाम्रो आफ्नो मान्छौँ उहाँहरूले पनि हामीलाई त्यसरी नै एकदमै आफ्नो मान्छ र हरेक कार्यक्रममा हामीले पनि उहाँहरूलाई निम्ताउँछौँ हाम्रो तिहार दसैँमा निम्ताउँछौँ त्यसरी नै उहाँहरूले पनि उहाँहरूको सेक्रेनी उहाँहरूको अन्य कार्यक्रमहरू पनि हामीलाई निम्ताउँछ
अनि उहाँहरू त मोस्टली क्रिस्चियन भइसक्नुभयो
मोस्टली
यहाँ चाहिँ तपाईँहरू हिन्दू नै हो
हजुर
अनि मन्दिर पनि छ साइडमा होइन
मन्दिर पनि छ हाम्रो देवी माको मन्दिर छ सिंहदेवीमा जो चाहिँ कामाख्यामा गुवाहाटीको एउटा पीठ मानिन्छ
कति लामो आजको यो
कार्यक्रम 11 बजीबाट साँझ 2:30 बजीसम्म हुन्छ
अनि हामीले चाहिँ के गर्दैछौँ आज
हामी चाहिँ आज
नेपाली ट्राइबले चाहिँ कसरी इन्भल्भ भइरहेछ
हामीलाई आज जिम्मेवारी दिएको छ यो रथ गेट चाहिँ तान्दाखेरि
रथ भन्नै मन लाग्छ है
रथ ताने जस्तै नै हो यो रथ नै याद आउँछ तान्दाखेरि बाटोमा उहाँहरूलाई तिर्खा लाग्छ तान्नेहरूलाई र उहाँहरूलाई पानी जुसहरू खिलाउने जिम्मेवारी चाहिँ हामीलाई दिएको छ
एउटा सर्टेन पोइन्टमा चाहिँ तपाईँहरू बस्नु
सर्टेन पोइन्टमा छ
यो कहिले हुन्छ कि के हो
यो यस्तो फिक्स छैन जहिले अब गेटहरू पुरानो हुन्छ नयाँ गेट लगाउनु पर्छ
यो इयरली
हुँदैन र जुन बेलामा गेटहरू अब फेर्नुपर्छ त्यो बेलामा उहाँहरूले कार्यक्रम
भनेपछि लास्ट इयर भएको थिएन त्यो अगाडि पनि भएको थिएन
धेरै वर्षपछि हुँदैछ
5-10 वर्षपछि
10-12 वर्ष भइसक्यो
भनेपछि म राइट टाइममा आएछु त
एकदमै राइट टाइममा
यो त हर्नबिल भन्दा त बाहिरको कुरा देख्न पाइयो नि होइन
एकदम हर्नबिलमा छुट्टै कार्यक्रम हुन्छ के अरे
यो जात्रै हेर्न पायो
हजुर
सबैजनालाई रमाइलो हस् धन्यवाद
ल
What is today? What festival is this?
This is a Tikal Get Pulin. We call it Get. We the Angamis, we used to traditionally we used to put a Get.
What is it called in local language?
Karu Keswa. Karu. Get. Karu Get. That's it.
Okay. And it's about to start right now, right?
Yes. When it
And
starts.
why are they singing like this?
This all traditionally we dress with full traditional attire.
Okay.
We used to go out, we're going to pull.
Is this a prayer before you start?
Yes.
Okay, who are we praying to? To the God? To
Yeah,
nature?
the God, yeah.
What religion before Christianity? What did they
Before
follow?
with the Nagas, we called it unseen God. Unseen God. We called it, yeah,
Is it like
That also
paganism?
God. That also God. Basically, we believe in animism. Animism.
What is that?
The belief in different gods like stone gods, water gods.
So it's mostly related to nature, right?
Yes, belief in nature. So before Christianity came, the people of Nagas, they believe in animism. So basically this is just a bond between different villages through stone.
So you stay here?
Yeah, we
study here?
Yes.
Where do you study?
I graduated back in 2019.
Okay.
Yeah, born and brought up from Kohima itself.
But where do the Naga people study? In what kind of school? Is there a special school?
No, there's nothing as such. Actually, during the olden days, the Naga people, they study in different morungs, where our forefathers teach moral values.
Like the
to
huts?
people. Yes, yeah, the small huts. But these days, because of education, now we have good institutions all around India, Nagaland
They're
itself.
mostly normally dressed,
Normally
everything is
dressed,
normal.
yeah.
Only at this time.
Yeah, only during this kind of events you will see Naga people wearing the traditional attire. Besides that, everyone uses...
Okay, around the Hornbill time, or this is a special occasion?
This is a very special occasion for all the people, especially the Angamis. Hornbill season, it's every year. It is the 24th year now. So
24th year.
in the 24th year. Tomorrow it will...
98?
No.
990.
It started in 2000. You should come next year as well. It is the 25th edition, so it will
And
be
when
very
was
big.
the last time this gate pulling happened?
No, this is the first of its kind. It is the first of its kind.
First time the gate is being pulled?
Yeah. It is between the Tsutunyomia, the Kusama, the Konoma, and the other different tribes from the Angami area.
Okay, wow. So I'm lucky.
Very lucky to be here. Happy here.
Your good name?
My name is Nanese.
All right, nice meeting you,
Nice
brother.
meeting.
What does the gate pulling mean, and what is the gate? Where does it lead to? What's the story of this?
Basically, there are many meaning to the stone pulling. Some are for friendship, some are called warrior stones. So basically, this stone pulling today is a sense of friendshipness bond between the village. No, these are all Angami tribe basically.
Okay.
But every different village has their own specific traditional attire and their customs again.
Okay.
So this has been initiated by the Tikal Angami, that is from the Kohima village. There are 4 Kel. So this particular event is organized by the Tsutunyomia.
Okay.
So in collaboration with different villages, for example, Kusama, Konoma, Jakama, Kasama, all these people are Angami as well.
Okay.
But from different ranges.
So there are different branches to Angami
Yes.
as well, and this is like a friendship between the Angamis.
Yes. The northern, the southern, the Chakro, and the western. So on your left, if you can see the orange people, orange attire, they are from the they are from the westerns, Konoma. Here, the white, the dressed in white, the people dressed in white, they're from Kusama.
Okay.
And here we have the Pesama people.
Okay.
So when we go down, you'll see more people. The Visemas, the Jakama.
It's a long route, man. I saw the rope. It's what, 1.5 or 2 kilometers down.
So basically, you'll have more than 5,000-6,000 people in this road itself today.
Oh my
and you'll have more footfall of more than 8,000-9,000 later on. So it will be interesting later on. Also.
And you can't pass the rope or something?
No,
like-
it is taboo. It is believed to be a taboo. We don't know why, but you can't pass the rope when it's being pulled. It's a
So
taboo.
that's not allowed?
Yes, you have to walk on the sides.
I can't be in between also?
You can be in between. While clicking, you can go in the front and click, but crossing the road, it's considered as a taboo.
Okay. Maybe bad luck also, right? Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. I'll see you around, all right?
Definitely.
just putting gunpowder, right? Not bullet. Bullet? Yeah. Shit. One shot, bro. One shot. Shit. Wait. Oh, yeah.
Brother, what dress is this? Like, what? It looks really interesting.
Tsula. This is called Tsula. Yes. This is called Taharozo.
You guys are like the center of attention, man. This is so interesting. So you've worn this before?
Yes.
Every hornbill or like in a very
only
special
during the special occasion.
Yeah, this is the first time we are pulling the stone from here to there?
No, it's not the first time. It's the third time. No?
I guess we have come of age like this the third time since childhood.
All right.
So we were born in the 1990s, let's just say.
So every 10 years almost?
I mean, it's not necessarily. I think this will be the last gate pulling ceremony for the century. This is the last now, more or less now. It'll be the last gate pulling ceremony.
Do we have our own year calendar?
No. This is only done now while like the gate now, a new village is going to be set up, more or less like that.
So a new village is going to be set up now?
More or less, yeah. The model village are Kelna. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is like means even among the Angami tribe, this will be the last, more or less like the last gate pulling ceremony of the century.
Of 21st century.
Yes.
For the next 70, 80 years, we won't see this.
Yes, more or less.
Oh my God, this is actually once in a lifetime thing.
Yes, brother.
Okay. Now I think now I had like bits and pieces of information.
Okay.
I think now I understand what's happening.
All right, brother.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Okay,
sweet छ यार मान्छे यस्तो डेडली छ त्यो ब्रोले खाइदिँदैन त त्यो ब्रोले त म जस्तो 5 जनालाई खाइदिन्छ म खाइदिन्छ एज इन लाइक he's got that warrior thing, man. So I don't want to mess with Angami people or like any Naga people, to be honest. The Nepali Toli is here. कस्तो हुँदैछ दिदी बाड्नुलाई रमाइलो हुँदैछ
रमाइलो छ नि भाइ पानीमा लुकेर
तपाई त डबल छाता दिइरहेछ नि त साथीलाई
यहाँ यी सबै साथीहरुलाई भिज्यो भनेर सबै छाता यी ओढाइदिएको छु नि
तपाईको पनि फर्स्ट टाइम हो सर बाडी लाग्यो वाउ के दिदैछ तिमी चाहिँ वाटर पानी म खान्छु All right. We're in the food section. All right, the most important part. So, this is all rice, right?
This is all local rice.
What rice?
Local rice.
Local rice.
Yes.
This is all finished, right? Easily, I think. What is this?
This is beef.
Beef with?
So this is a local cuisine, and here we cook it with the blood of the beef. It's called Modi.
Modi.
Yes, M-U-O-D-I.
This is
your local pork curry.
Thank you, sir.
It's the typical Naga, how Nagas cook it. And here we have chilies, salt, and ginger. Those are just the ingredients.
Just the basic, like very, very basic ingredients.
Yes, very basic.
This is more beef.
This is innards, beef innards.
Organs?
Yes.
Like the organs, right?
We've got the intestines, the liver, the stomach.
Okay.
Yes, this is beef intestine. This is chicken.
This is chicken, but it's like very less masalas.
No, we don't put masalas in our cuisine.
So salt,
chili, and ginger.
So that's it.
That's it. That's like pork.
Not even herbs, nothing. No, not much masala in it.
No masalas.
This is, oh my god, this is a lot of steam. Pork skin?
No, beef skin.
Beef skin?
No, buffalo skin.
Buffalo.
Financially and your physical. We've got dal.
This is dal, okay.
Yes. The friendship we have. Here we have
spinach. Spinach.
No, it's not spinach.
Leaf.
Perla. And perla leaves.
Expression
of
your
friendship to us. Just water and a little bit of salt. And
so this is Angami food.
Yes.
I want to thank
typical Angami food.
This is
chutney.
Chutney.
Yes.
And what is this? The green one?
This is the most diverse chutney we have. These are those beans, tomato.
With your support. What are the stems?
Beans. Those are beans.
Oh, the small beans.
Yes.
Okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kathmandu.
Kathmandu.
Nepal.
I, on behalf of
You've traveled a long.
Yeah, a long way for this.
Alone?
once again
Yeah, I'm alone.
extend our heart.
I'm doing it for the YouTube thing,
Each and every one
but I
of
found it the food here really. What's your favorite Naga food?
You have
I love chicken.
supported us.
Anything chicken,
You have
yes.
helped us.
Okay, very hungry. I need to eat. How much you eat? Very hungry.
Of course.
What's your favorite Naga food?
Pork.
Pork is best.
Yes.
Oh my God. Khana shuru bho. Oh my God. I should have been staying there, right?
You should have
1
been
second and like everyone's on the line. Is there any like priority seniors eat first? Nothing like that.
No, first come first, sir.
Looks really good.
Yeah.
This plate is the best.
Pardon? This is the best.
This is the best?
Yeah.
That is chicken.
Chicken, yeah.
Chicken is the best.
Yeah.
Have food first? Yeah, sure. No, I find this very interesting, the Naga food. Alright, thank you, ladies. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. PUBG नखेल्ने कल अफ ड्युटी छ तिम्रो फोनमा अहिले हान्नुपर्छ ल रुम बनाएर मेरो नेपाली साथीहरुसँग खेलौँ ल कस्तो दामी खेल्छौ कति फिङ्गर टु फिङ्गर मात्रै म त क्ल हान्छु अहिले खेल्नुपर्छ ल मैले बुझ्छ नि भाइ अहिले बोर भएछ